Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I wanted to show you guys what I use on my hair, my natural hair. What I use on my natural hair to keep it like flourishing and growing, girl, you know. So if you guys care to see what I use on my natural hair, please stay tuned. Starting with wash day, what products do I use to wash my hair? Well, I'll show you. If I'm starting with like really gunky, dirty hair, I like to use Undo Goo by Malibu. It's a professional brand. If you go to the salon, you might see this in there. I am a licensed professional. I'm a cosmetologist, so I can go and purchase this. But what I do is I get all that gunk. Like say I maybe did a silk press or a ponytail, you know, and I use a lot of hairspray, a lot of gel if I were to do that. Then I'll use the Undo Goo first to take out any of that product, because what I'm trying to do is take out any of that dirty gunk out of my hair so that I could start off with a clean canvas so I could properly wash my hair and get everything out, you know. So I start with this, and then in the area I live in has hard water. I try to use a shower filter because I'm renting right now. I don't own. If I did own, I would definitely get a soft water for the house, but right now I'm renting. So in the meantime, I use a filter for the shower. Sometimes that's not enough, so I have to use the hard water shampoo from Malibu again, and this is what I use if I'm just getting hard water out of my hair. If my hair is not that dirty, I didn't do a hard hairstyle or anything, then I'll go in with this usually first. But if I did a style that is, you know, it's been a while since I washed my hair, then I'll go with the Undo Goo. So I'll alternate between those two first, and then once I'm good on that, depending on how I'm feeling, I'll use the Olaplex number 2. Since I'm a professional, I have that one, but the Olaplex number 3 should work just as fine. And basically I put that on after I do the dose shampoo. Put that in, work it in for 10 minutes, and then rinse it out. And then I go in with my actual shampoo and conditioner. And once I do that, my hair will actually feel like, you'll feel the texture of your actual hair and how water can penetrate through it, and it's not. You think there's water, but girl, it's not. So what I use to wash my hair is Innersense hair bath. I use the hydrating cream. I also use this on my kids' hair, but I use the color cream hair bath on them because I find that works better for their hair texture. This one, my hair, I need more hydration towards my hair, and my hair is a little bit on the thicker side, so that's why I use the hydrating one for my hair. I feel like I can feel a difference between using the hydrating versus the color hair bath on my hair compared to my kids' hair. So but I love this product. A little goes a long way. You just pump a little bit in your hand. I would say like maybe a quarter size, because once you work it into your hands, it expands. And then what it needs also is water. So once you add water to it, it really gets in there. So this bottle lasts me for a year. I know you think I'm crazy, but it lasts me a year. Yeah. So once I'm done with that, I'll go in with the hydrating the hydrating conditioner, which I get the big size because, you know, I'm a hairstylist. So they do sell these at Ulta, and you can purchase it there, and you could also go on the website and purchase it. But yeah, this is really good. Also dime size. I mean, not even a dime size. Yeah, like between a dime and a quarter I would do. Rub it in again, like I said, and then get it into the hair. Put some water and it's gonna expand. You think I'm crazy when I tell you a little goes a long way, but it really does. It's very potent, and you need water because it's very concentrated, so you need water for it to expand. And yeah, it, like I said, that thing, I used to be a natural hair product junkie until I started using that. I started working with curls and learning about products, and I don't have to spend that much money on hair products anymore because I know what works for my hair. Sometimes I like to mix the DevaCurl Melt into Moisture with my conditioner as a deep conditioner. It gives me some more slip and some hydration when my hair needs it, especially in the winter. I do live in a place that it gets really cold, so my hair gets dry. So that's when I'll go in with this also, and I'll mix it into my hair. And yeah, my hair feels so good when I use these two products together too. So I love that. And yeah, that's my hair washing portion, so not much. And I don't really use a leave-in, and if I do, it's probably the Briogeo leave-in. I don't know where I placed it right now, but I'll have a picture up here and show you what it is. Same with the Olaplex. I don't know where I put these, but it's probably in my kid's bathroom, and I didn't feel like getting it, so. But I'll definitely put pictures up so you'll see what I'm talking about. And then yeah, that is hair wash part of my natural hair. So let's go into styling. What I use to style my hair. So if I'm doing a wash and go, I will use just two products, and I'll show you. For wash and go, I just use Uncle Funky's Daughter, right? I get that all over my hair, get it in while I'm in the shower, wet my hair, make sure it's very concentrated. I'll squinch my hair, and if I hear some squishy noise, then I know that it's in there. And then sometimes I'll go in with the I also use Innersense I Create Whole gel. That's my topper gel, and that's what's gonna keep it to last the whole week. I do my wash and go in one day, 1 hour, and that includes drying time too, because I don't have time to waste. I'm a mother of 3, so I got things to do. So wash and goes are very convenient for me at the moment because I know how to work it and get it in and then dry it, and it'll last me for at least a week. If it's the summer, maybe less, but definitely it lasts for a while. But I usually go in with the I Create Whole for outside the shower, and I use I use this Wrapperoo. It's a little wrap so that water won't drip on my face and or my body. So I do the I create hold in the outside the shower, and that's when I go in and really put detail into my curls, make sure they're set in place where I like it, make sure I got my part right where I want it. And then once I'm done with that, I go in with my Dyson and my diffuser, and I usually dry my hair for 25 minutes the max, and then I'm good to go. My best result is usually when I sit under a hooded dryer. However, my husband decided to throw that away and not let me know. Like, do you have, comment down below if you guys have a partner that doesn't respect your stuff and just throws it away. Like, how rude. He didn't even tell me. And it was pricey too. But I digress, you know. I'm slowly letting it go because he owes me one. My wash day and then my styling is what it goes by really fast. It's just the dry part. If you want your wash and go to last, you have to make sure you sit down and dry it. I would say 95%. If you live in a humid environment, I definitely will tell you to, I would say 100%, because you can't take that risk with that humidity. That thing will swell up. But I live in a humid environment now, but it's not as bad compared to when I lived in Florida. It was terrible. But yeah, so that is basically my wash and go part. So if I want to do like a twist out or perm rod set, I do my wash the way it goes, and then instead of using gel products, I use mousse. And let me show you the products that I use for mousse. I love the Dew. I'll do the Nairobi. Sorry, I still have the sticker, the price sticker on there, but I'll do the Nairobi. So I'll do the Dew. I love the name, Mos Def. The Dew. I'll use that, or I'll go in with the Nairobi mousse, and I will you know, set my twist out or my perm rod or flexi rod. I'll do that, and this is where I would sit under the dryer and, you know, set that in place. However, I don't have one right now. So, and then I had two Dysons also, and then one of them died. So I'm stuck with my one right for now. But usually I would have took two Dysons together and, you know, tackled that. Because my hair is thick and it takes a while for it to dry. So yeah, I'm stuck with my one Dyson. So I haven't really been doing any twist outs or any of those styles right now because, child, I ain't got it. You know, slicking my hair in a ponytail real quick, which my hair could finally get into. I'm so happy about that. So I'll use the gummy gel, and I actually you know what I forgot to show you? I forgot to tell you about my Felicia Leatherwood brush that I use to detangle my hair when I condition. To detangle my hair, I use the Felicia Leatherwood brush. I use it on all my kids' hair. My husband was washing my son's hair and he decided to use this one. But I have one somewhere else too. But it's probably in my kids' box with their hair products in there and their hair accessories. So yeah, I use this to detangle my hair when I wash it and can after I put my conditioner in there, that's when I'll go in and go detangle with this brush. If I want to smooth out my, you know, my whatever baby hairs or whatever you call it, I like to call it adult hairs because I ain't no baby. I'm not a baby, so I use the gummy styling wax. I like this stuff a lot. I will tell you, when I put it on, it stays on all day. Basically all the products that I use, guys, for my curly hair. This includes the end of this video, and I really enjoyed you know, showing you guys what products I use on my natural hair. I'm very passionate about, you know, natural hair, and I think it's important to know what products could work for your hair. So if you guys are interested in more content on that later on in the future, please write down below if you guys are, and if you are interested, what ideas do you think I should do next. But thank you if you guys made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much, and thank you for supporting me on this journey, you know. So don't forget to like and comment down below anything. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Definitely, what you waiting on? Subscribe, okay? I'll love to you know, chat with you guys. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.